Are you tired of being bombarded with notifications on Twitter and want to take back control of your feed? Today, I'll show you how to disable Replies notifications tailored for you on Twitter using your PC. To begin, open Twitter and head to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. In the left-hand column, locate and click on the Web Notifications option. This will lead you to the notification settings. Within the Notification Types menu, find and click on Preferences to customize your notification preferences. Next, navigate to Push Notifications and click on it to manage your real-time notification settings effectively. Now, under Mentions and Replies, ensure to choose the option to turn off notifications by selecting the box labeled Off. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. By following these straightforward steps, you can tailor your Twitter notifications to suit your preferences and enjoy a more personalized Twitter experience on your PC. Say goodbye to unwanted notifications and regain control of your Twitter feed today.